This is a new 24-channel CCD counting and bottling system, suitable for round and square bottles, for filling capsules within 22 millimeters in length, standard or special-shaped tablets, pills, softgel, etc. Production capacity is 12,000 PCS min. 1. Detection accuracy of 0.12 mm. The accuracy is more than 10 times that of infrared sensors. 2. Anti-particle dust and removal of broken particles. 3. Whole process recording. We can view the historical image data at every moment. 4. Rejecting crushed or overlapping materials for higher precision. 5. Bottle height adjustment. 6. Easy and simple maintenance and repair. 7. Intelligent connection. It has good compatibility with Desiccant feeder, capping machine, aluminum foil sealing machine and labeling machine connected to the production line.